Hello, this is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm sharing mini blueberry pancakes recipe. And for the ingredients, we're using flour, milk, egg, maple syrup. You can use regular sugar as well, baking powder, salt, and fresh blueberries. I will list all the ingredients with its measurements in the description below. So let's get into the recipe. So first of all, we're going to combine our dry ingredients, that's the flour, salt, and the baking powder, and mix and distribute the ingredient well within the flour. Then we're going to set this one aside. Now we're going to do our liquid ingredients, which will be the remaining ingredients left. We'll start with the egg biscuits. We're going to add oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using maple syrup. You can use honey. You can use brown sugar, regular sugar as well. And I'm going in with milk. The milk to any flavor or type of milk you want. When it's all combined, I'm going to add the dry ingredients into the liquid and just stir it enough to not to see a lot of flour separated from it. Then I'm going to add my fresh blueberries. You can also use the same for strawberries. So I'm going to cook this on top of a griddle. You can do the same thing in a frying pan. When it's preheated, then just scoop the pancake onto your pan or griddle, and when the tops start to bubble, carefully flip the pancake over with a spatula and continue cooking until the unders are cooked and golden brown. And you can serve this warm with butter and a little bit of maple syrup. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond. Thanks for watching and subscribe.